How to fix the Samsung Health application is not working properly on your Android devices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing first, you can try to restart the device and then relaunch the application. Sometimes simply doing this can help fix small bugs and fixes. Likewise, if it is not helping, you have to update the app to the latest version. For Android devices, tap on Play Store, search the Samsung Health, and then tap on Update button if it is available. Once it has been installed, you can now check the up-to-date app which should be working properly. Another step would be long press the application, go to app info, then go to permissions and make sure necessary permissions has been given access to. For example, it could be the physical activities in the case of Samsung Health. Tap on it and then tap on allow. Once this is done, go back to the previous page. Once you go to app info page, click on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache and clear storage. Once you have done all of this, make sure to check the stable internet connection and then relaunch the app and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.